Welcome. This is going to be a quick tutorial to show you how I grip and braid a very short natural hair. So her hair is a type 4 natural hair and the length is really short. So in the video, I have gotten this request several times to show how to braid short hair, and I hope this is going to help you out. While editing this video, I kept thinking of how to explain like what was going on in my mind when me braiding this hair, like thinking about how to explain it. It is not going to sound nice, but at the point when I was trying to grab her hair, it felt like the motion of my finger is like when you're trying to pick something out of your nose. If you have that in mind, then you will be able to grab and fish and pick the hair. So it's almost as if I don't know, like grabbing the hair. When I make the motion of like picking my nose, not picking my nose, but like, that motion when you're trying to grab something small from a constricted um space. That is how this hair felt, especially when I got to the top section of her hair, where the hair was thicker. Like the hair would shrink in between, like when I am braiding it, in between the movement of my hand, it would shrink down, and I would like almost go fishing for the hair, having to dig my fingers into the hair to pull up the hair strands again. That was just the best definition, like the best description of the movement you make with your fingers while braiding a very very short fussy hair. So don't get frustrated, just imagine you are picking, maybe you're trying to bring out something from a child's nose, and just get comfortable with that movement of your hands, and you will be able to not get frustrated, to stop braiding a very short hair. I hope you understand what I mean. I'm just going to let you watch after this. If you're interested in seeing the hairstyle we were making, I am still going to upload the video, editing it, but I just wanted to take out time and put out this pointer just in case somebody is going to get the sense of humor and it will help her out or help whoever it is out. So enjoy.